A single strand of spider silk is thinner than a human hair but 5 times stronger than steel. Imagine a thread so fine you can barely see it, yet it can withstand more force than the toughest metal we know. This natural marvel is produced by spiders effortlessly, creating webs that can catch prey without breaking. Scientists are fascinated by this and are studying spider silk to develop new materials for bulletproof vests, medical sutures, and even biodegradable fishing lines. The secret lies in its unique protein structure, which combines both elasticity and strength in an unparalleled way.